Hi guys, Cyrus here from Talking Headphones, and today we're unboxing the Nokia 8. We finally have Nokia's flagship device of 2017, which is the Nokia 8. Uh, the device basically has a 5.3-inch 2K display. It comes with a 4 GB RAM, and it has 64 GB internal storage. There is also another variant as well, which basically has around 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB internal storage. So you get both variants. So you can see that in Pakistan you get with Advanced Telecoms a warranty, so you have it covered there. Just opening the box. Let's see. Oh, okay. Of course, there's one more. So here it is. Okay, so guys, we have the Nokia 8 in the blue version. This is exactly the polished blue variant. Now the Nokia 8 comes in two types of blue. One is a tempered blue and one is a polished blue. Then it also comes in a steel finish and the copper variant. So you get four different type of colors. I personally like the one we have because A, blue is my favorite color, and B, it looks very good on this particular phone. So let's open the wrap. So you can see that the device just out of the box just has a premium look, and of course it is a flagship device. So okay, so let's keep that to the side for a bit. Okay, so of course you have your customer care Advanced Telecom warranty card with it, your SIM ejector tool, which I'm actually surprised you get with this, is that these days a lot of devices don't come with the ejector tool, because if they all assume every phone now has one. Okay, so this is basically your instruction manual, and here you find the headphones. On the left of the box, this compartment will most probably have the chargers. Okay, so here you can see guys that the Nokia 8 basically, okay, let's take this out. Okay, so the Nokia 8 comes with a USB type C charger, which basically means that you can plug it either way. It really doesn't matter, and of course you get much faster speeds than and here you can see that it is USB 3.0, which of course means it has fast charging as well. Let's see anything else in the box. Okay, of course here is your adapter. Now putting everything on the side, let's check out the headphones. So you have your standard headphones. Oh, okay, so you get an extra pair of earbuds as well, which is actually a good thing considering how much music I hear on my devices. So you have your standard 3.5mm jack headphones. Yes, the device does come with a 3.5mm jack. Now putting all of this aside, let's look at the device itself. Okay, so the device, you can see, has a 5.3-inch 2K display. The fingerprint scanner is housed at the front of the device. It comes with a 13 megapixel front camera, and it comes with a dual 13 megapixel camera setup as well. So actually the really good thing about this device is that there's no the cameras don't protrude outright. So if you put it on a very flat surface, the phone does not wobble. The cameras, of course, being Nokia, comes with a Zeiss lens, which all their old smartphones actually had, say the Lumia 1020. Okay, so on the sides you find here is your standard power button and your volume rockers. is basically the buttons don't pop up too much, but enough to basically so it's easier for you to always grab them when required. On the other side, you find the SIM ejection. So where here you can actually basically here you can put the SIMs. Bottom of the device, you have your speaker grill over here. You of course your charging port and your mic. The device comes with a built-in 3090 milliamp battery, which of course does not come out because the device has a unibody. The device is full aluminum, and it's very shiny. The con though is that this device is definitely a fingerprint magnet, so I'd recommend that you put on a cover for it as soon as you buy it, or not if you're okay with the fingerprint marks. Okay, I'm actually surprised that it's not actually picking a lot of fingerprints, which is quite impressive, to be honest. Let's power it up. So of course Nokia is now finally powered by Android, which everybody was really hoping for. And of course you have your Nokia sound. This never gets old. Okay, so let's start her up. English, US, let's go. Don't want to skip. Set up as fresh new device. Don't use any network for now. Let's just skip through everything. Yeah. Yep. All set. Yes, of course, we are ready to go. Okay, wow. So just look at this beautiful display, you guys. The blues really pop up. Let's increase the brightness over here. So I do maybe the camera is not doing justice, but guys, you really have to see the display for yourselves in order to know that for the Nokia 8 to have such an impressive display is actually very impressive. Other than that, okay, so basically the Nokia 8 comes with Android 7.1.1, which is Android Nougat, and of course it will receive the Android 8.0 Oreo update pretty soon. One special thing about this device is the speaker system. It comes with Ozo surround sound, which is Nokia's technology, which basically improves your surround sound, and it basically helps you when you're looking at maybe YouTube videos, or you're streaming any movies, or only playing games as well. This basically increases your sound quality quite a bit. Other than that, you have your standard settings, Nokia 8 7.1. So you have your N for Nougat over here. So you have your recent key and your back key, which has capacitive light at the back, so that of course helps. Okay, and because it's a Nokia device, it basically, the launcher is very similar to stock, and so basically you get Google Launcher built in. Now let's open the camera for a quick bit. So you have your standard options over here with HDR support, of course, and so here's an option where you basically can use the dual camera at the back. So either you can switch between a singular color, which is a monotone, or you can actually use both the cameras for depth of view effect or the bokeh effect, and of course, or you can just use the single camera, up to you. Just testing it out. Let's take a picture. So you can see, guys, that the picture quality is actually quite good. thanks to the dual cameras at the back. The other cool thing about this camera, about the cameras of this phone, is that it has a bokeh feature, which basically lets you take a picture from the front camera as well as the back camera. So of course, if you want to capture both memories, so you can always use that as well. Okay guys, that's about it from our end. Hope you liked the video. Okay, so the display also has an always on feature, where basically you get your notifications on the screen, because which is of course very useful. So I don't need to keep on picking up my phone. I can just tap the display, and I can see my notifications over here. Okay, that's about it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to our channel, and for latest videos hit the bell icon below. Okay, until next time guys, take care.